Have you ever opened an app from the Google Play Store, only to find it behaves differently when you launch it from your phone's launcher? It's a puzzling situation, and you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the quirks of Android app behavior and how to tackle this issue. I completely understand your frustration. It can be really confusing when an app opens in one state from the Play Store and then reverts to a different state when launched from the home screen. Many users have experienced this, and it can disrupt your workflow. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Why does my app open differently when launched from the Play Store compared to the launcher?" They noticed that after navigating to a second activity and then returning to the launcher, the app reverts to its root activity. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? This behavior is often due to how Android manages tasks and activities. When you launch an app from the Play Store, it creates a new task, but launching it from the launcher can cause it to behave differently. Understanding this is key to finding a solution. And stick around. I have some valuable tips at the end that will help you manage your app's behavior more effectively. To address the user's issue, we need to adjust the launch modes in the Android manifest file. The first step is to set the launch mode of the root activity to single task. Next, the user should ensure that the second activity is set to single top. This allows the activity to be reused if it is already running in the same task. Additionally, the user can implement the onNewIntent method in the root activity. This method will handle the intent when the app is opened from the launcher. Finally, the user should test the app by launching it from both the Google Play Store and the launcher. This will help confirm that the second activity appears as expected. Fun fact: did you know that Android's task management is designed to optimize user experience? However, it can sometimes lead to these unexpected behaviors. It's like a game of hide and seek with your apps. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution shared by another user addresses the issue of launching apps from the Play Store versus the launcher. They suggest adding specific code to your splash screen's onCreate method. This code checks if the task is the root task. If it isn't, the activity finishes, preventing a new task from starting. Additionally, they recommend modifying the onResume method. Place your existing onResume code within a condition that checks if the task is the root task. This ensures that your onResume code only runs when the old root task is active. Here's a pro tip. Regularly review your app's manifest settings and test different launch modes. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to manage your app's behavior more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights and tips on Android development. Remember, understanding your tools is the key to success.